Hi, I'm Matthew Pearson. Today I'm going to show you how to create and name a Microsoft Excel 2007 file. So the first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Excel 2007. Then you go up to the File menu in the upper left-hand corner. Click on New. And what that'll do is it'll give you lots of options to choose from for the type of file that you want to create. You can just do a blank Word document, or you've just got all sorts of, you've got templates. It really depends upon what it is that you're trying to create. But I'm just going to go with a blank document because that's the simplest. And so now I've got a new Excel spreadsheet, and then what you want to do is hit Save, and that will pop up a dialog box right here, and then you can give it whatever name you want it to be. And if you don't put a .xlsx trailer on it, it'll do it for you automatically. And you can also determine what kind of file type you want to save it as. You can save it as an Excel workbook. That's your standard save. But there's so many other types you can save too. If you do an Excel macro enabled workbook, then any kind of macros you make, or programming little pieces that you put into the Excel spreadsheet, those will be saved along with it and enabled also. And there's other types of formats you can save it as. If you look down here, you've got .csv, there's a comma separated variable list, so you can save it as, there's just lots and lots of options. So you got to figure out which option you want to save it as. But if you're just working in Microsoft Excel, you just want to save a workbook, just save it as either a workbook or a macro enabled workbook, and then you can always come back later if you want to save it as something else like a PDF file. You can save it as a PDF file too. So that is how you create and name an Excel file in Microsoft Excel 2007. My name's Matt Pierce. Thanks for watching.